Well, okay, welcome back to the channel. It has been a while and oh boy, do I have some update to tell you guys. First of all, since last video, this car wasn't road legal, but it is now. I've done a lot of work with it and now the car is having new problems. So it's no longer able to drive on the road. Just place the camera. Okay, so yeah, I was thinking about making an update video and talk a little bit about what's happening, why I haven't been uploading, and yeah, a whole lot have been happening with my life, so making time for YouTube was just not an option. I started that video. It was gonna talk about the car because I was finished with the car 2 weeks after last video. Okay, what is up guys? It's GW Philip. Nope, scrap that. It's Moonlight, back at it again. And yeah, so progress have been done. It's been quite a while since last update about the car, and yeah, here she is. As you guys can see, I finally have number plates, so this car is finally road legal and I'm able to drive with it on the road, and I have been driving on the road for over a week, but I never ended up making that video, finishing up that video. But yeah, the car got finished. I took it to repairs and everything is fine, and there's a bee on me, but I do not like it. No. Okay, I think it fucked away. So yeah, I got the car repaired and I got it road legal, so I got it on the road. I drove it on the road for about 2-3 months and it has been a blast. Especially it's my first time driving a car with a supercharger, so that was an experience. But newly it started having some new problems, and I took it to the a garage and was trying to get help for getting it fixed, and sadly it's just too much to repair, and I've gotten bored of the car. It's a really fun car, but I have dreams to expand to new cars, and so I have to sell this car now. And one problem I'm having now, I was supposed to sell it for quite a lot of money because the car was working, but now it's not working and I just don't have the money to fix it, so I'll have to sell it cheap. So I'm gonna sell it cheap, and once I've sold it, I'm gonna buy a new car, which will be a beta car for the winter. And once I have a second car, I will be fixing then the G-Wagon, so that you can see in the background over there. Once the G-Wagon is fixed up, all the rust and everything, and repainted, the plan is to sell that car and to buy myself one of my dream cars, my ultimate dream cars, which is a Mazda RX-7. I will not tell which model. I kind of want to make it a surprise, but I think that would be a very cool project, especially for the channel. It won't be JDM, but it will be a Japanese car, which is exciting because I never owned a Japanese car. Or I do own at the moment a Toyota Hiace, but I am fixing up and gonna sell also for cheap. So that's a lie. I do own Japanese cars, but like a proper fun Japanese car. So that's what's happening, and yeah, I think I'm just gonna keep the video short, and I'm hoping for that I'll be able to upload more soon. and yeah, do more content on my channel, because I really do want to do something with this channel. I really want to get to places, and yeah, that'll be interesting. So hope you guys enjoy, and hope to see you guys on the next video, and I hope I'll be uploading sooner. Do subscribe, do comment, leave a like, and all of that. Yeah, peace out.
Go crazy, berserker.